In this video, we will provide a full breakdown of the Illinois Domestic Violence Act information sheet provided by law enforcement. Domestic violence is a crime. Any person who hits, chokes, strangles, kicks, threatens, harasses, or interferes with the personal liberty of another family or household member has broken the Illinois domestic violence law. In Illinois, a family or household member includes family who are or were related by blood or marriage, people who are or used to be married, people who share or used to share a home or another dwelling, people who have or believe they have a child in common, people who have or believe they have a blood relationship through a child, people who are dating or used to date, including same-sex couples, people with disabilities and their personal assistants and caregivers. Let's start with the law enforcement response. Law enforcement should try to prevent further abuse by arresting the abuser when appropriate and completing a police report, seize and inventory weapons used to commit the crime, provide or arrange transportation to a medical facility, shelter, or safe place, accompanying you back to your home to get personal belongings, offer immediate and adequate information on procedures and relief available, one referral to an accessible service agency, and information on seeking emergency orders of protection. Provide you with the reporting officer's name and badge number, explaining the importance of saving evidence such as damaged clothing or property and taking photos of injuries or damage. What should you do if your abuser contacts you after an arrest? If the abuser was charged with a crime and you or another victim is a family or household member, that the abuser was likely ordered not to have contact with you for at least 72 hours. Additional restrictions may be set as a condition of release. If the abuser contacts you soon after the arrest, call the police. Additional charges may follow. If the abuser is attempting to contact you by phone from jail, you may request to have your phone numbers blocked by going to www.inmates.winnebagosheriff.com. Click on the icon Jail Page, and then click on the icon Block Inmate Calls. To receive notifications regarding court dates and when an abuser may be released from jail, call 866-566-8439 or visit vinelink.com to register with the Illinois Automated Victim Notification System, also known as AVN. Links in the description below. An order of protection is a court order which restricts someone who has abused a family or household member. You may also request an order of protection on behalf of someone who cannot because of age, health, or disability. An order of protection may prohibit an abuser from continuing threats and abuse. Abuse includes physical abuse, harassment, intimidation, stalking, etc. Order abuser out of a shared home or residence. Order an abuser to stay away from you and other protected persons by the order, your place of work, school, or specific locations. May give you temporary physical possession of children, prohibited child abduction, order child exchange, and or supervised visitation services. Require abuser to attend counseling. Require abuser to turn weapons or FOID card over to law enforcement. This is how you file an order of protection. You have options. For more information and assistance with filing, advocates are available at the Rockford Family Peace Center, open Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Call 779-348-7600. Childcare for ages 0 to 17 is available while on site, free of charge. An emergency order of protection can be filed and heard from the center without going to the courthouse. Advocates are available at the Domestic Violence Assistance Center, also known as DVAC, located in the Winnebago County Courthouse, open Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Call 815-516-2440. You can file an order of protection remotely. More information is available online at illinois17th.com. If the abuser violates any part of the order, contact law enforcement and file a police report. Preserve and provide any evidence, including witness information, emails, text messages, call logs, videos, photographs, etc. Remedies Renewing Lives has a 24-hour hotline. Please call 815-962-6102. Rockford Family Peace Center, 779-348-7600. Rockford Sexual Assault Counseling has a 24-hour hotline at 815-636-9811. Thank you, and please be safe. This project was supported by grant number 15JOV-23-GG-02575-FIRE, awarded by the Office on Violence Against Women, U.S. Department of Justice. The opinions, findings, conclusions, and recommendations expressed in this publication are those of the author and do not necessarily reflect the views of the U.S. Department of Justice. Funding for this training program provided in whole or in part by the Illinois Criminal Justice Information Authority.